Welcome to New Wave Teaching Lessons. If you're new here, don't forget to click subscribe. We upload videos every single week. In this series, we'll talk about Algebra 1, specifically Semester 1. Let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is our Algebra 1 series, our 5th episode. So if you have not seen the other episodes, I'll go ahead and link those above. For every video, we have a free downloadable worksheet for you guys. It's in the description bar below. It is completely free. It includes all the questions you will see in this video today, plus some U-tries and a full answer key. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go over the toolbox. We love our vocabulary here at New Wave Teaching. It's very important that we understand what the question's asking. So like terms are terms that have the same variable and power. Distributive property is basically multiplying a number to a group of numbers, which we'll see today. And inverse operations are operations that undo one another. For example, addition is the opposite or inverse of subtraction. And then subtraction is the opposite of addition. So it goes both ways. You are going to see this in quite a bit of our videos because it is so important. It is the building block to everything that you're going to be doing in Algebra 1, Geometry, and Algebra 2. So it's very important that you understand operations and their inverses. So in addition to, we have division is opposite of multiplication, and multiplication is opposite of division. So back and forth. Let's try an example. Okay, the goal for today is to logically explain how somebody else solved an equation. So let's look at what Susie solves. She has 3x plus 2x minus 5 equals 25. What I'm about to walk you through right now is exactly what she did. Only what she did, not what is correct. So let's look at what she did. So we have negative 2x. She decided to subtract the 2x to combine like terms. She ends up getting x minus 5 equals 25. She adds 5 to both sides, and then she got x equals 30. So take a look at that real fast. Do you see an error? Remember, when looking at this, remember how combining like terms is supposed to look for our tip. Remember how it's supposed to look. So go ahead and pause the video if you want to take a look at what the error is. Yes, if you guys said this minus 2x as your error, you are correct. So you are not supposed to subtract or use inverse operations unless you're going from one side of the equal sign to the other. And in this situation, she is on the same side. So instead of subtracting 2x, she should have just combined their terms to begin with. So let's try it on our own. Let's see if we can solve it together. So we have the same problem, 3x plus 2x minus 5 equals 25. So I know that like terms are terms that have the same variable to the same power. And 3x and 2x are that. So, and if the like terms are on the same side, just combine them. So that's our additional tip. So I have a 2x and I have a 3x. They're on the same side. I just go ahead and put them together, which will give me 5x. And then I will go ahead and drop everything else. So 5x minus 5 equals 25. I will add 5 to both sides, and those 5s will cancel. It's very helpful to do those canceling lines too, so you can see what you have left. So now I have 5x equals 30. I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by 5. And we have x equals 6, okay? So looking back at what she did, she got x equals 30, and we got x equals 6. Our answer is correct because we combine like terms correctly. So now let's look at the questions side by side so we can see. So here's Susie's question. So again, she subtracted the 2x when she should not have. Unless she was moving it to the other side, there's no reason to use inverse operations to do that. All you have to do is what we did in ours and combine like terms, the 3x and the 2x, to get 5x. So there's a difference between those two right there. So let's overview and explain in words. So going from this, Susie combined like terms incorrectly. Instead of subtracting a 2x, all she needed to do was combine 3x and 2x together. The only time you would need to subtract 2x is if you were trying to get it to the other side of the equal sign. So doing a summary of what the person did and what you did really helps to understand the concept. So this is all I have for you guys today. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave those in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer them for you. Also, if there's anything else you guys would like to see in our future videos, leave that in the comment as well. And don't forget to hit subscribe. We post weekly videos. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit the notification bell to never miss a video. Have a good one.